In this video, I'll be talking about the connection between water and vaginal odor. Spring is here and we are talking about why your vagina smells. But don't worry, girl, I can help you with that. Believe it or not, a few simple tweaks here and there can turn the entire situation around. So if you want to feel clean, confident, and balanced this season, then continue watching. Hi, my name is Pia, and I help women achieve balance in their vaginal health with practical tips, useful advice, as well as my own lived experiences. So if you love feminine wellness content, then I encourage you to like, comment, and subscribe. Girl, sometimes your vag be smelly because you just need to drink water. Like, honestly, sometimes you are smelling your vajay and it stinks or it smells a little off because you're thirsty. Now, there's no going around it. Water is supreme. Water regulates our body temperature. We know water helps with blood circulation. We know that water flushes out toxins. Water flushes out waste. Water aids in digestion. We just know that water is supreme because it helps with so many bodily functions. There's no going around that, right? But water, or lack of water, also affects our vagina. And who knew? So let's talk about the negative effects lack of water can have on your vagina. Number one, we have to give our vagina props because she is so smart and she continues to tell us what is going on in our bodies. How? When you go to the washroom and pee, you know right away, just by looking at the color of your pee, whether or not you're hydrated or not. Once you see a darker pee, right? Or like it's bright yellow. No, I don't think it's bright yellow. I think it's darker. Like once you see your pee's yellow, 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 girl, you know that, man, I haven't drank much water today. You know, if your pee's on the lighter side, you know your body's trying to tell you that you're pretty good with your hydration. Like you're good to go. So that's one of the ways lack of hydration affects our vagina because your pee is super yellow. Number two, when we don't drink water, it affects our skin, right? Our skin gets dry and cracky and ugly and dull and uncute, right? Well, the same thing happens for our vajay. When we don't drink water, it gets dry. And when it gets dry, balance shifts, right? And when our pH balance shifts, it creates an environment that's more favorable for yeast infections. So girl, if for nothing, if you're wondering or considering or trying to figure out whether or not you should drink water, drink water. Because when you drink water, it lubricates the vaginal microbiome and keeps your pH in balance. When you don't drink water and you're dehydrated, your pH goes out of whack and now your vagina is more favorable for yeast infections. Who wants that? And girl, let's not forget how unpleasant sexy time can be when you are dried under. So please drink your water. And the third way is actually really a smell. But the smell, in my opinion, isn't like a crazy smell. Like the smell is not like a BV smell. The smell is more like a stronger smell. Like if you know how your vagina usually smells, when you're dehydrated, you'll find that like it's just like more pungent. Like it's a stronger smell, right? That gets your attention. And it's not, as I said, I wouldn't say it's a bad smell. It's just an attention. It's just a smell that gets your attention. And baby girl, it's a quick fix. Just drink some water. That's it. And in the next day or in a couple of hours, your pee will let you know, girl, you're hydrated and you're back on the right track. So yes, lack of water or dehydration can cause a vaginal odor, but the vaginal odor isn't like bad or horrible. Like I just wouldn't call it that. I would just call it like a stronger smell or stronger aroma scent that you yourself would be like, okay, why do I smell so strong today? Like, why do I have such a strong vaginal odor today? And if you know, your body's just trying to let you know you're dehydrated. That's that. Not every smell is BV related or STI related, or you know what I mean? Not every odor from your vagina goes down that route. Like not every odor from your vagina is crazy and it means that you have an infection and da-da-da-da-da. No, sometimes it's just a simple quick fix. Like, girl, you're thirsty, your body's dehydrated, and you're getting a stronger smell from your vagina because your vagina is trying to let you know that, girl, I'm thirsty. It's dry down here. I'm parched. Can you please drink some water? So the next time you smell your vagina or the next time your vajay smells off, girl, go drink some water. That's probably your body just letting you know you are dehydrated. And that's all I have for you today. But girl, come back for day 4 because we're going to still talk about why your vagina be stinking.